Today, I'm going to show you how to add documents such as your driver's license, insurance, and CVOR to your profile in the Shift Driver app. So when you first log in, you're going to want to go to My Profile and then select the category that you want to add a document for. You can see that we've already added some documents for the CVOR, driver's license, and insurance. So let's start by replacing one of these. Let's go Insurance. Then we click this button that says Re-upload. Then we click Image or Document. We'll go Image. And we will choose my insurance image, which will be blurred. And then we also have to choose an expiry date. So let's click select date. We'll go October 29th, 2026. Click OK, and then click submit. And we can see that my new picture has been uploaded. Now let's do driver's license. Let's click re-upload. And we can do two images for this. So I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to do this one. Then I'll select a date once again. We'll go November 14th, 2026. Click OK, and I'll click submit. And we can see that the two images show up here. Now we can also add a new type of document. If I click add document here, we go, for example, tow bar certification. So let's click that. We'll click image, and I will select another image. We'll go this one. Then I will select an expiry date. We'll go October 28th, 2029. We'll click OK. And then let's click submit once again. And we can see that this has now been added. And if we look up here, we can see that our other documents have been updated. And that's all you need to know to upload documents to your profile in the Shift Driver app.